Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Redfall not launching. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, first right click on Redfall and then click properties, and now go to compatibility. And now once you're here, all you have to do just enable those two options, and first option make sure it's on Windows 8, then click apply and OK. Now just go back and try again. Your problem must be fixed, but if that doesn't fix your problem, now let's move to the next step. Click here and then go to Windows Update Settings. Of course, you will need to make sure that you have the latest updates. Just download and install all the updates that you can find here. And if you need to restart your PC to apply the changes, just restart it. And now after that, just go back and try again to launch it as administrator. And if that also doesn't fix it, now go to GeForce Experience. It means that you need to update. You need to try to update your graphics card driver. So just go to drivers and then check for updates. And if you find an update here, just install it. And as you see, there's an update for Redfall. That's it. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.